It is important to read the food label, which is right here. There are amount per serving, calories, total fat, and saturated, and other things in here. And it will help us make healthy choices about the food we are buying. These are the ingredients that we need to make a hot cake. Egg, butter, water, and hot cake mix. And we need a big bowl to mix them together. First, beat the eggs slightly. Wow! Next, we have to put the hot cake mix powder. And then do like this. It might take for a while. Add some water. There you go. Now we have to stir it. Because the hot mix powder is sticking to the bowl. Make sure it's not too liquidy and sticky. We need to heat the pan and set the fire low. We need to add the butter, so there you go. And then we will have to add the hot cake mix. And we need to flip it over. And we need to switch off the stove. There. Now we have to put it on the plate. It tastes like really yummy. And this is how you make a pancake. Bye! Thank you for watching. Bye!